Hello to all the beautiful people out there. So before anything else, let me announce that I made my word, and as I promised you before, here's the brand new iPhone 12 Pro that I told you I will give it away to one of you lucky guys. So to enter this giveaway, you just want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and then comment something positive down here in this video. But liking is appreciated, but it is not necessary for the giveaway. Let's get straight into the main point of this video. iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max hardware abilities. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So the first test is CPU test of Geekbench 5 benchmark. We have 11 Pro Max on the left side and 12 Pro Max on the right side, and both devices are operating in iOS 15.2. This first part of the test will lead us through all the CPU capabilities such as image compression, HTML5, ray tracing, and etc. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max was able to finish the test just under 2 minutes, and iPhone 11 Pro Max was able to finish the test in 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So 12 Pro Max finished the test 13% faster. And here are the actual scores that you can see on the screen. So let's head over to the GPU test. So for the GPU test, let's just fast forward to the result. And the result was surprisingly different. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is 21% faster. And this could be so much beneficial for future and upcoming iOS games and applications that are GPU dependent. Now let's just head over to the internet speed test and raw modem performance. So in this part, we connected both devices to one internet hotspot and checked the internet speed with ookla speed test, one of the most reliable speed tests all over the world. So in order not to limit the bandwidth, I test them separately and test them one by one. And interestingly, the iPhone 12 Pro Max was also better in this test. And despite the expenses, I truly suggest you to go with iPhone 12 Pro Max if you can afford it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and see you guys around in the next video. Peace out.